Journey to the center of the Earth. Picture this, you're standing on the Earth's surface, feeling the solid ground beneath you. But have you ever wondered what lies beneath? Well, buckle up, because we're about to find out. First stop, the crust. It's like the Earth's outer shell, and it comes in two flavors: oceanic and continental. The oceanic crust is like the Earth's deep-sea diving suit. It's dense, dark, and made of heavy stuff like iron and basalt. It covers the ocean floor and is typically only about 5 to 10 kilometers thick. On the other hand, the continental crust is like the Earth's comfy sweater. It's lighter, made of stuff like granite and silicon, and it makes up the continents we call home. And get this, the continental crust can be up to 70 kilometers thick in some places. But the crust is just the beginning. It's like the appetizer in the Earth's multi-course meal. The main course is the mantle, and it's a doozy. The mantle makes up a staggering 80% of the Earth's volume, and it's divided into two parts, the upper mantle and the lower mantle. The upper mantle is like the Earth's tough but flexible outer layer. It's solid and rigid at the top, but as you go deeper, it starts to get a little more pliable. It's like the mantle is doing some cosmic yoga down there. And then there's the asthenosphere, a part of the upper mantle that's so hot and under so much pressure that it can flow like a silly putty. It's like the Earth's own lava lamp. As we keep digging, we hit the transition zone. This is where things start to get really interesting. The pressure here is so high that the rocks become incredibly dense. And here's a mind-blowing fact. There's as much water stored in the transition zone as there is in all of our oceans combined. It's like the Earth has a secret underwater kingdom hidden away in its depths. Next up is the lower mantle. It's like the Earth's thick, cozy blanket. It's huge, it's hot, we're talking temperatures up to 3,500 degrees Celsius, and it's under a ton of pressure. But despite the extreme conditions, the rocks down here are still solid. It's like they're the ultimate rock stars, holding their ground no matter what. Now, let's talk about the core. It's like the Earth's own personal disco ball. The outer core is made of molten iron and nickel, and it's the only liquid layer in the Earth's interior. But here's the really cool part: all that swirling metal generates electric currents, which create our magnetic field. It's like the Earth has its own invisible shield, protecting us from the sun's harmful radiation. How awesome is that? Finally, we reach the inner core. It's the Earth's very own treasure chest. Despite the scorching temperatures, we're talking 6,000 degrees Celsius, the inner core is solid. That's because the pressure down here is so insanely high, about 3.6 million times the pressure we feel at the Earth's surface. But here's the thing, even though we've come so far, there's still so much we don't know about our planet's interior. Scientists are constantly making new discoveries, like the idea that the inner core might have its own layers, with crystals oriented in different directions. It's like the Earth is a never-ending onion, with layer after layer of surprises waiting to be peeled back. And that's what makes Earth science so exciting. There's always something new to discover, always a new mystery to unravel. From the crust to the core, our planet is a treasure trove of wonders, and we're just scratching the surface. Thanks for joining us on this adventure. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Planetic for more fascinating insights into the incredible world we live in.